Have you ever poured every ounce of your being into your desires, only to feel that the universe remains silent, indifferent, and almost mocking in its stillness? Keep watching, because the revelations ahead are set to dismantle your old beliefs about how manifestation really works. The secret isn't in mere positive thinking, it's in the way you ask. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and intentions into one irresistible, coherent vibration that the cosmos cannot ignore. Imagine your request as a silent, vibrating pulse, a complex dance of thought, emotion, and intention. When you send mixed signals, when fear and doubt undercut your desire, the universe hears a confused, dissonant melody. But when your inner music is in perfect harmony, when every note of belief, every chord of emotion aligns with your true yearning, the cosmos not only listens but conspires to grant your request. Consider this. Every desire you hold is like a seed waiting to sprout in the fertile soil of universal consciousness. Yet, if your internal dialogue is a cacophony of doubt, your vision remains choked by the weeds of insecurity. Think of asking not as a mere utterance, but as composing a symphony. Every emotion is a note, every belief a melody. Only when these elements are tuned to the same frequency can the universe play back the song of your dreams. But here's the shocker, most of us are out of tune. It's as if we're trying to perform a symphony on a broken instrument. You say you want abundance, a loving relationship, success, but underneath, a hidden voice questions your worth, whispering, "What if you're not enough?" And so your request echoes into the void, a confused signal lost in static. Jacobo Grinberg taught that the act of asking is not a passive hope, but an active, transformative process. To ask effectively, you must first become painfully aware of your internal state. It's about tuning your instrument before the performance begins. Observe every thought and emotion that surges within you at the moment of desire. Ask yourself, are you vibrating with confidence or drowning in anxiety? Picture your intention as a candle in a vast, dark room. Even the tiniest flame can illuminate the shadows, if, and only if, it burns with unwavering clarity. To truly ask, you must let go of the need to control every outcome and trust in the cosmic timing that orchestrates reality. This isn't superstition or vague mysticism, it's a profound understanding of the science of consciousness, the knowledge that every thought, every emotion sends a vibrational frequency rippling through an infinite field of possibility. Now envision a life where your internal symphony is perfectly attuned, a life where your thoughts, your deepest emotions, and your truest desires sing in unison. When you align with this powerful state, the universe becomes not an indifferent bystander, but a dynamic collaborator. Each time you ask with clarity and unwavering confidence, the cosmos responds with a precision that transforms your reality. It begins with a simple yet radical exercise. Dedicate a few moments each day to meditate on what you desire. Visualize every detail of your vision as if it's already real. Let the emotions of joy, peace, and fulfillment flood your being. This practice doesn't merely whisper your intentions into the universe, it shouts them with a vibrational force that demands attention. Understand this. Every experience, every unexpected twist in your life is a mirror reflecting your internal state. If you're plagued by scarcity, if your mind is filled with thoughts of "I don't deserve this," then that's exactly what will manifest. But when you replace fear with faith and doubt with a deep knowing of your own worth, you create an energetic field so coherent, so crystal clear that nothing can stand in its way. Now is the time for a courageous decision. Will you continue to send the universe fragmented messages, or will you step into the clarity of your own truth? The path to true manifestation isn't paved with frantic wishes or desperate pleas. It's forged in the quiet power of aligned intention. When you ask with absolute clarity, when every fiber of your being vibrates in unison with your deepest desire, you unlock the door to a realm where nothing is denied. The universe is always listening, always ready to mirror the energy you project, but it demands that you trust in its mysterious, perfect timing. Take a moment to reflect. What is it that you truly want? Look deep within and cast aside the limiting beliefs that have held you captive. Replace them with the resonant frequencies of trust, gratitude, and unwavering clarity. As you do, watch in awe as the cosmos reshapes your reality, step by step, moment by moment. This is the profound secret Jacobo Grinberg revealed. The universe responds not to the noise of your scattered desires, but to the clear, harmonious call of your aligned spirit. Embrace this truth, become the composer of your own destiny, and allow the universe to perform the masterpiece of your dreams. If this message resonates with you, if it sparks a flame of clarity in your heart, then know that every step toward alignment transforms your world. Stay with this truth and witness how nothing is ever truly denied when you ask in perfect harmony. You've been watching The Thought Alchemist, where revelations don't just end stories, they ignite new ones. If this stirred something within you, please help this channel grow by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support means more than you know.